Sure, got our Temu package from box. The shipping label is not removed. It's hard to remove. I gotta face it downwards. I gotta be careful. I wanna let anybody know what my address is. Fucking hate Donald Trump. He's a stupid terrorist. It's not good. Fucking self-centered, fat-ass, retarded idiot. He doesn't know what's going on. He doesn't even know what a tariff is. Fucking idiot. Demented idiot who poops his fucking pants. Slipping around in the box. Everything looks okay.